Welcome guys to the class style, and today I'm showing you how to make face masks. Please stay safe, stay indoors so that you will be well protected from this virus, and stick around while I show you how to make these lovely face masks. Today we are doing face masks, and these are my pattern fabric. I'm just using plain white. One piece, I'm doing two styles for you today. One is cut 5 by 5 inches and the other is cut 9 by 6 inches. So we are dealing with this one, and I'm going to show you how to make your own pattern without downloading. So what we're doing is measuring a 5 by 5 piece of paper. I'm using this black marker so you can see. This is actually half of the measurement because the design of this one is slightly different. Now with mask and any other things that I'm doing, I love to do patterns. I'm not going to tell you download any patterns. I am showing you in all my sewing items how to make your own pattern, because you may not have a copier, you may not have access to a laptop, for the elderly and so on. So you can draft out your own pattern. Now I'm just going to cut this on the top of your paper. You're going to come in 1 3/4 inches and mark 1 3/4 inches. At the bottom, you're going to come in 3/4 of an inch and also mark. On the center, you'll come down 2 3/4 of an inch. On the side, you will come down 1 1/4. We're just putting in all the marks. On the outer side, you'll come in 1 inch. Now we're going to draft in the measurement. Remember, here's the top. This is the 1 3/4. We come down to 2 3/4, slightly curving down to the 3/4, down at the bottom here. This has no line, and at the top here, you remember your eyes will be here, so you don't want it to come in contact with your eyes. You just slightly curve, and I like to go up on the side. So this is the 1 1/4, and we're going to slant a line from that to the 1 inch. That's your pattern. So we're cutting out 2 of these. So we are just cutting out the pattern, and you'll cut 2 pieces of fabric to this pattern. So I have my fabric already cut out. It's 2 pieces for the front, and you're going to line it with 2 of this. So it's actually 4 pieces and these slits on the ends. So this is already sewn, and this is how it's going to look. So this is your pattern. Now remember to round the shape on the center. These ones that I am doing here is for my granddaughter. You'll follow the same daughters. I have 2 of them. I doubled each piece. So this is for this. You're going to attach it in the same manner. Stitch and attach this in the same manner. And stitch. Now this is going to have 2 layers. This is just to add it as a barrier for your protection. So I'm actually doing several different ones for my family members. Now this one has the plastic. People are talking about inserting plastic, so I'm just showing you that you can also insert your plastic, and it has 2 added layers of barrier. So you can do it as you wish to. It's up to you. Go ahead and sew this around. Once you sew it, you're going to put some tiny slits on the ends. So this is already sewn, and this is how it's going to look. So this is your pattern. Now remember to round the shape on the center. You're gonna now press, remember it's an odd shape, so you're gonna try and flatten the seams on both pieces. Now put it right side facing right side, put the seams together, make sure they line up, and just spin it. Once it's pinned, top and bottom, I left the sides open. We are going to be inserting the elastic. Now, I'm cutting my elastic 5 inches. You can go up to 6 inches depending on the stretch, and you don't want it to be pulling on your ears. So I'm cutting mine's 5 inches. I'm cutting 2 pieces. Now your elastic goes facing the inside, and you're going to place it to the 2 ends. So I'm just spinning this to secure it. Now you're going to be stitching on this line, so you don't want to get it in the stitch line. Place the top over it and then pin that in place. So secure the elastic in here, don't let it pass the seam line, and just close it up. Now we're going to take it to the machine and get it sewn, and you will leave a little space at the bottom for turning over. When you're stitching over the elastic, you make sure and you tack it by space for turning over. Clip all ends, make sure and put slits on the 2 pieces to allow it for turning, and go ahead and turn over. Now you're going to press it. This is the opening here, and then you're going to run a stitch over the whole piece. Close up this. Take it to your machine and top stitch right around. This is optional. So guys, this is one of the other ones. I am also going to show you that you can use your glue gun to close up the openings that you have, or you may also construct a whole one just using your glue gun in the event that you did not have a machine. So there are many options you can try. If you did not have a machine, use your glue gun. I've cut this elastic 6 inches. Now you would use the measurements to suit you. The other one I did was 5 inches. I'm just showing you. You lay it down like that, and we're going to flip it over, take it to the machine and stitch right around. Is in, and remember, whatever lining you're using, press on, fleece, anything, it goes on the wrong side of the fabric. Okay, ensure that you clip the corners, remove your pins, and turn over on the right side. Take it to the iron and press it. So it's pressed. So I'm just going to close up the part with the opening here, and then one more step and we're done. So guys, I'm just folding freehand. It's up to you if you want to put your measurements. I don't want to put in measurements to make anything too difficult, but if you were doing measurements, you can do it an inch apart, and it allows you to get 3 pleats or 2 pleats. In this case, I'm folding at least ½ inch and just making my pleats, so I'll get 3 pleats going up. So I'm just averaging ½ inch and folding, so I'll get 3 pleats like that. So once pleated, this is how it will look. Now you can press this if you choose to. Take it to the machine and top stitch right around. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed my presentation of making face masks. Please like and subscribe, share these videos, and I hope guys that you and your family stay safe. And thank you to my daughter-in-law and my grandbabies for displaying these lovely pieces for me. And you can also make for your kids to protect them, because we love them so dearly. So guys, thanks again, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.